Do it, John.
Start with the lesser one first.
6 containers? Right.
Oh.
Come on, take it.
John's got it down. 6 little cups of ranch.
That's good enough. I just want to lick it. Go ahead.
Come on, John. Come on. You got this. You
Come on, John. Come on, John. You're almost there. Almost there.
You can do it, John. You in there, just swallow it, move on.
Hey,
it's just like a shot. It's like a shot. It's like a shot, man.
Open your jaw, relax your throat, and just let it slide in.
Oh, God. Hit it.
Yeah. Come on, John. You got this. You fucking got this.
John, you only got one more, bro.
One more, dude.
It's all love. It's all love. It's all love.
Yeah, is it on your lips?
Oh, shit.
John, you're so manly.
John, what would you like to say?
Fuck you.
You try it.
Oh my God, that is awesome.
Nice.